Hello guys, Topsy Cat Tech Repair, and today we're going to show you how to replace your toilet bidet, and of course we're going to have to put our new hose. Well, I want to remind you guys that I am not an experienced plumber, but it's my experience to do so. So here goes. So you may remember this old bidet, the handle of this one is snap. I cannot use it, and yes, I just hot glue it to keep it on permanently. So again, this bidet by 15 days now. But anyway, we just bought a new bidet set and a new hose, which is here. So all you need to do is we're gonna have to replace this set. So what we need is a bidet, an actual bidet head, and an actual hose. Also, to stop the leaks, we have to use Teflon tape for plumbers. So let's get into work. So first things first is be sure that this is off. We don't want water flying around. So we're good to go, so let's go. So what we're gonna do is have to unscrew this by hand. Whoa. Oh yes, we have to turn off this valve right here first. Be sure there's no water coming out of it. That. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to replace everything. So we just see a leak. So this is permanent tight. So well, not shown on camera. I'll get the pliers. Okay, let's see. Misplacing tools. Here it is. Alright, do some. We have to remove this. Because we cannot remove this by hand because it's tight. So look is so I think that one. I got this around. Way around. Oh God, that's somewhat Teflon tape that's strong. It doesn't matter, so we have to unscrew it. Because this is so difficult. So be careful not to make leaks or splash any water. There you go. So with the old hose and the bidet head off, we're gonna replace this with this new one. What as a kit? Assuming it's a clamshell packaging, but who knows? So I'll be right back to open this. packaging. You will notice the blue plastic that flew across. What you see here is actually to stop foreign objects from entering through. So, oh, it's just only the cover. Never mind, it's just only the cover. We're gonna have to unscrew this. And wait a second. So that's what we're gonna have to install. So right here is our new hose. Right here, and the new bidet head. It's just solid stainless steel. It's perfect. And when notice when you have an eagle light and these flow apart, that's just a cover for the threads. Threads flow, so you don't need to worry about that. Now, I was thinking if I wanted to reapply fresh Teflon tape right down here, but it's very important to stop the leaks. Okay. And my tip for you is just don't use Vulcasil in the threads because that somewhat get very harder to remove. Become near so. Don't put Vulcasil. Seriously, don't try to put Vulcasil. Then we have to apply. After applying the Teflon tape, we have to. Whoops! We just made a mess. Oh! Yeah, we just made. Oops. This is not accidental, so we have to. Okay, we just made a mess. We're gonna have to mop this up later on. This Teflon tape is waste. We said we have to mop my bathroom floor later. Now we're gonna have to install. Oops, sorry about that, it fell. We're gonna have to install our Teflon tape in our bidet. Just again to stop water leaking out. So we have to do this to prevent water from leaking. Okay. Once Teflon, oops, oh, no. It's too much. Sorry about that, guys. Teflon tape is going wild. So we're gonna have to a mess here. My shorts I'm wearing is also not again. The Teflon tape just fell off. Okay. So anyway, once we put Teflon tape in our bidet head, we're gonna install this in our bidet. We sure you have to tighten it all the way so that water will not seep or leak through. Make sure you're getting a good connection because whatever, like we're going to have a vice grip like this right here. Like that. And what we can do is work it out. Okay, let's give it a test. See if it leaks. Okay, it does work. So there you go. That's how you replace your bidet handle on your toilet and a hose. So I hope this helps someone. This is me, Topsy Cat Tech Repair. I'll see you in the next video. And it's gonna be a long time to mop the floor.